What's up, everybody? It's the Ginger Yeti, and I'm checking in from the road. Getting one last beer in before I have to go to bed because we have a show tomorrow here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Gotta be up at about 8 a.m. so I can be there for bus call. But I figure I'll get one more beer in because who cares, right? So, the beer I had for today, or my last beer of the evening, is a beer from Bombastic Brewing Company. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I've reviewed one other beer from that brewery. I had Santa Claus, and I received that beer in the getbeerfridge.com Advent Calendar, 2024 Advent Calendar. And it was if I remember right, it was a good beer, but it was rough to finish a big can like this. It was one of those kind of beers where a snifter would have been enough. But I'm going to give another beer from Bombastic Brewing a try. So this is Attempted Murder. It's a vanilla cinnamon Imperial Stout, like I said, from Bombastic Brewing. It's 10.5% ABV, 47 IBU. And again, it's got like these crows on the can. It seems like Bombastic Brewing does like a crow theme for whatever reason. On the can here, it says Genesis date, May 15th, 2025. This is August 30th, and it's an Imperial Stout, so I'm sure it's more than fresh and good and fine, especially at 10.5% ABV. On the back of the can, it says, this Imperial Stout pours as black as a raven, and the mouthfeel is velvety, soft, and silky. Aged on pure Madagascar vanilla and cinnamon, strikes a perfect balance between roasty stout flavors and delicate waves of cinnamon and vanilla. Pair with a pillowy soft cinnamon roll or pour over ice cream for a stout float. That sounds delicious. I know I've said in some of my other videos that, excuse me, some of the beers I've tried I would love to pour over ice cream. It's pretty neat to see them suggest pouring this over ice cream. It's only attempted murder if there's probable cause. Oh, excuse me, I don't know what's going on. Must be this dry desert air. Wow. Got something stuck in must be this dry desert air. I don't know what's going on. So, Attempted Murder Vanilla Cinnamon Imperial Stout sounds like a delicious beer. Wish I had some ice cream to pour it over, but I don't. So let's get on into it, because I definitely need something to drink. I'm choking to death right now. On Untapped, it's a 4.09 with 1.8 thousand check-ins. Beer Advocate gets a 90 outstanding with 34 check-ins. I think it's been a while since I've done a proper stout on my channel. I mean, of course, it is summertime, and summertime, I don't know, a lot of people don't like to drink stouts in the summer. Get a nose on it. That is definitely cinnamon and vanilla. Cinnamon, vanilla, chocolate, and a beak dip. I suppose I should do a beak dip for a crow-themed beer, right? Cinnamon, chocolate, vanilla. I mean, that's dark, midnight dark, 40 plus SRM, of course. Maybe a pinky's worth of chocolatey tan head. And man, I don't know what's going on. My throat is super dry all of a sudden. Probably this desert dry air. Like I said, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Been in the dry desert area for a while now. I mean, we went from Phoenix to LA to Las Vegas. Now here it's just dry. So I need to take a drink. Cheers, everybody. Medium bodied, soothing the throat. Medium bodied, 10.5% alcohol, 47 IBU. Don't notice any of that at all. Lots of rich cinnamon with vanilla undertones. This is just rich cinnamon, but it's not strong, overpowering cinnamon, if that makes sense, but it's a rich cinnamon flavor with vanilla undertones around it. I can see what they're saying. This would be amazing over a couple of scoops of ice cream. This is delicious. Really, really well done. This is a very, very good beer. I don't think I mentioned it. Maybe I forgot, but Bombastic Brewing is out of Hayden, Idaho. And I believe I picked this up in Salt Lake City. But this beer just a rich cinnamon flavor, but not overpowering cinnamon. But the cinnamon is very prominent. Vanilla all around the edges. The vanilla mixed well with the cinnamon. Again, this would be amazing over some vanilla ice cream. I would love to have had a couple scoops of ice cream to pour this over. It would have been delicious. But this beer right here, Attempted Murder from Vanilla Cinnamon Imperial Stout from Bombastic Brewing Company. I'm gonna give this a 2 horns up because the cinnamon, the flavor of the cinnamon is really well done. The cinnamon flavor is just so nice, so prominent, but not overpowering, not gritty, not burning cinnamon. It's like the perfect level of cinnamon. And then the vanilla is just in there, kind of in the background, but enough of the cinnamon flavor is there to, enough of the vanilla flavor is there to like kind of tamper down that cinnamon a little bit. It's just really, really good. This is an excellent beer. Bombastic Brewing, great job on this one. If you can find Attempted Murder from Bombastic Brewing, go out and buy it. It's an excellent beer. Hope you all think I have an excellent video. If you do, let me know down below in the comments. Wow, still can't talk. Oh, excuse me. I'm just waffling on now and burping and stumbling over my words. So I guess I should just end it right here with Embrace the Adventure.